Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the slow motion video in CapCut PC. I'm going to import video that I want to edit and add to the track, and I'm going to select the part that I want to make it slow-mo. This part until this part. So for the middle clip, I'm going to make it slow-mo. So just click speed and select normal. You can swipe to the left for the slower. You can turn out smooth slow-mo. But you can see for the final result. Alright. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.